In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook email account to Gmail. If you've ever wished for a more seamless way to manage multiple email accounts, particularly if your day-to-day operations require using both Outlook and Gmail, you're in the right place. By adding Outlook to Gmail, you can simplify your email management and streamline your communication processes. Let's dive into it. To begin, open your Gmail account using any web browser of your choice. Make sure you're logged in using the Gmail account where you want to receive your Outlook emails. Once Gmail is open, look towards the upper right corner of the page and you'll see a gear icon. Click on this to access the Settings menu. From there, choose See All Settings. Within the settings, you'll see multiple tabs at the top of the page. Find and select the one labeled Accounts and Import. This will take you to a page that enables you to manage your email accounts and import options. Scroll down until you find the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here you'll want to click on the link that says Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up asking for the email address you'd like to add. Carefully enter your full Outlook email address and click Next. You'll be prompted to select a method to import mail. Choose the Import Emails from My Other Account (POP3) option, then click Next again. Now, you'll need to input some specific information to ensure Gmail can retrieve your Outlook emails correctly. Enter your Outlook email address one more time in the username field. Then, enter your Outlook account password in the appropriate field. For the POP server field, type outlook.office365.com and ensure that the port is set to 995. Make sure you tick the box labeled Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL, when retrieving mail for additional security. For those of you who like to keep things organized, there's an option called Label Incoming Messages. You might want to consider checking this option and selecting a label to easily identify emails coming from your Outlook account. It helps keep your Gmail inbox tidy and makes finding messages from Outlook a breeze. Once you've filled out these fields, click the Add Account button. If everything is correct, Gmail will successfully add your Outlook account, and you'll start receiving emails in your Gmail inbox shortly. You can always tweak your settings or remove the account if things aren't quite right. Managing multiple email accounts doesn't have to be daunting. By bringing your Outlook emails into Gmail, you're setting yourself up for a more streamlined and efficient day, allowing for a more focused approach to handling communications. With these easy steps, you can enjoy the benefits of having all your emails in one convenient place. Happy emailing!